Hello, it's your boy Mr. CV. I'm back. I'm back with another special video, and I'm back to show you a video on skydiving which I did a couple weeks ago. Now, this is the original version of the video, no edited version, original sound. So hopefully enjoy it. Also, drop your comments in the comment section and let me know your thoughts. Also, share the video if you like it. Press the like and keep supporting your boy Mr. CV.
2,000 feet. You're going to look to the right, you're going to pull on the brake. Are you ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3, pull. Here we go.
Oh,
Want to stop, just let back up.
yo.
All the way up.
Oh my god, this is what a whoa.
So,
Whoa, what eyes are in tears.
Happy?
Yo, wow, this is I can't, wow, my ears are even getting blocked. Wow. Whoa, what?
Cool, isn't it?
Oh, look. It's so bright, Mr. C.
Yeah,
Oh my.
the right over here.
Sugar.
Yep. There's Peterborough over there, that's where you live.
My ears are gone.
Your ears are blocked, just
Yeah.
try and swallow. Now when we hit 2,000 feet, I'm going to take control back and then we'll
that's
talk
fine.
about landing. Happy?
Yep.
Okay, nice skydive, young man,
Yeah.
very good.
Oh, wow.
Good lad.
Woo!
Yeah. Young man. Right, fine.
Lovely, man.
Let's go, let's go over
Thank you
short.
so much.
Yeah!
Brilliant, man.
Yeah, come here. Let's get on do your chest.